Hey everybody, welcome to 7624 Washington Boulevard in beautiful River Forest, Illinois. I'm about to walk you into a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath that was built in 1927 by the builder himself. Our current owners have kept it pristine and brought all of the modern amenities that you're going to love. There are some unique things about this house, not only because of 1927, but also what they've done. There is a hidden room all the way up in the attic for all the kiddos to be able to climb up there, have sleepovers, hang out, all that kind of good stuff. And then they built another room in the garage. The garage is 2.5 car garage with plenty of storage, and then this hidden room upstairs. Come with me, you're going to love this. I really hope you enjoy this house as much as I do. If you want to see it, get in touch with your agent ASAP. Thanks for coming.